Hello, welcome to the channel. I didn't have to go through a lot of effort to buy this lens for a few bucks on a local online marketplace. Yes, this is another lens that, in a bad period from Leica, adopted a MInolta lens and was sold as the Leica Leitz Vario Elmar R 70-210mm F4. A nice kick to be able to purchase a Leica lens so cheaply. It's a very heavy lens, built like a tank. Due to the enormous weight, it is not pleasant to walk around with. Before that time, it must have been a very acceptable quality that still made it appear as if it was a real Leica. Leica, of course, had a reputation to uphold. It was therefore smart to take a lens that is not really fast and only starts with a fine sharpness at f4.0 wide open. I am satisfied with the quality, but the weight still lingers too much in my memory, so I will not use this lens very often anymore. It will remain interesting to compare 7210s with each other in the future.